Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by weighing and chopping the compound so melting is even. This prevents scorch and graininess. Once chopped, place the bowl over a simmering pot with water just below the bowl rim. Stir slowly and constantly with a silicone spatula so heat distributes. Avoid steam or splashes. Make sure the water never boils hard because that will cause separation. If you see any lumps, keep stirring. Melting should be gentle, controlled, and completed before you move to tempering or flavor additions. Once most of the compound is melted, remove from heat when it reaches about 45–48 degrees C and continue stirring off heat so residual warmth finishes melting any remaining bits. Add a small amount of cocoa butter or neutral oil, 5 to 10%. If you need thinner viscosity for enrobing or piping, this improves sheen and mouthfeel. Mix until glossy and smooth, and monitor temperature with a thermometer so you reach a stable working range. Make sure to act quickly for molding or coating while viscosity is ideal. For final shaping, pour into molds or use for coating when the compound sits around 30–32 degrees C so release and snap are optimal. Tap molds to expel air. Cool finished pieces in a cool, dry place between 12 and 18 degrees C until fully set to prevent condensation. Do not force chill. If the texture becomes grainy or separates, gently reheat over the double boiler and add a teaspoon of liquid lecithin or a tiny bit of neutral oil. Then remix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.